Most of the bakery and restaurant business owners who speak with me ask this question in common. Hey Bigdbiz, I'm running my shop which has a good visibility and great demand among the customers. Even there is an abundant footfall that keeps me busy all the day. At the end of the day, when I check the business returns, it shows me loss. Can you find why this happens? Do you feel, yes, it's similar to my problem? Then wait, I got a solution for you. Hi, this is Priyadashni from Bigdbiz Solutions, your success software partner. There are many factors that affect your profit, but major and priority factor to be checked is your menu. That's your pricing strategy for your products. You might be amazed in hearing this, but this is the fact that major business owners never calculate the pricing properly. What must be checked when you are starting the pricing your products and way to calculate? Generally, people tally up the cost of your ingredients and the labor. But if you don't include the things like utility bills, lease, rent cost, equipment maintenance, cleaning products, and marketing cost, you will find yourself operating with too low profit margin. Now, there are two types of expenses to be considered. The first one is a variable cost. Variable costs are the cost that increases once your business starts to grow. For example, you might find that you need to order more and more ingredients as the time goes on when you increase the production. Similarly, you might need to hire additional employees to keep up the demand. Labors, ingredients, packing costs will need to be increased as your output increases. Number two is a fixed cost. Fixed costs are the costs that don't change from month to month. These includes like your rent, utility bills, POS system, so on. Now, and the last one I want to tell you is about the startup cost. You're likely to have some startup cost. It's very at the very early stage for your bakery. For example, you might need to pay your LLC, buy initial kitchen equipments, or pay the real estate brokers for helping you to find the space. These are all the examples of the startup cost that you might find to need in the consideration if they are considerably larger and need to be paid off quickly. The formula for your cost to be considered is like cost per saving, labor cost, variable cost, fixed cost, startup cost. Initially, to check with your profit percentage, you can do this manually and find out an approximate pricing for your product. To get improved with the accurate expenses incurred and the sales detail, you need to consult Bigdbiz for ERP software to find out the analytics strategies that affect your profit and fix the right price for your product. So contact 9123515998 for free demo or trial. Thank you.